Hello, this is Sheshachalam from Astro Guide, Mysore, and today we are discussing about Pushkara Navamsha. So, what is a Navamsha? Navamsha is the ninth division of the sign. So, 30 degrees divided by 9 gives you 3 degrees and 20 minutes pieces. That is 9 equal pieces of divisions of each being 3 degrees and 20 minutes. So in those 3 degrees 20 minutes, all those points, all the navamshas will not be great and very good navamshas, and some navamshas have been defined as Pushkara Navamsa. Each sign has two of them and it is easy to remember. So for fiery signs, that is Agni Tattva Rashis, it is the seventh and the ninth Navamsha. So seventh Navamsha would be 20 degrees to 23 degrees 20 minutes. The ninth would be 26 degrees 40 minutes to 30 degrees. So each fiery sign, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. You can see it is 7th, 9th, 7th, 9th, and 7th, 9th. So next comes the earthly signs, that is Prithvi Tattva. That is the third and the fifth. So you can see Prithvi Tattva here, Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn all have third and the fifth as the Pushkara Navamsha. What actually is Pushkara Navamsha, you will understand when you see the whole video. So next comes the Aries signs. So that is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So in the Aries signs, that is Vayu Tattva. The sixth and the eighth are Pushkara Navamshas. Next comes the watery signs, the Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. This is Jala Tattva, the first and the third. First, third, and the first and the third. So I have written down the span also, where actually it falls. So these are known as Pushkara Navamshas, and if you plot them in the Navamsha chart, this is the Rashi chart, the zodiac. I have not put the North Indian chart because I can't make these divisions in that. It is difficult for me to go in a 0 degree to 360 degree order in that because it goes in a different way. It's not difficult, but for me it's a little quite difficult. So, when we plot this, let us plot. Aries starts from itself because it is Chararashi, and the seventh one will fall in Libra. So I will write it as A7. Next falls A9, falls in Sagittarius. So I will write it as A9. Taurus, 3, third Navamsha and fifth Navamsha. Taurus starts from the ninth because it is Sthira Rashi, fixed sign, 1, 2, and 3. So I will call it as T3. Next is fifth one. So T5. Next is Gemini, the sixth and the eighth. So Gemini starts from the fifth from it. So it will be like ending in Gemini. So the fifth, sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we call it as G6. Then G8. Okay. Next again to Cancer. First and the third. This is again a movable sign. So first will remain there itself. It will remain there itself. So we'll call it as C1. C1 and C3. 1, 2, and 3. It comes to Virgo. C3. Again, Leo, 7th and the 9th. Because it's a fixed sign, it starts from the 9th from it. 7, 8, 9. So from there the 7th and the 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So L7 and L9. If you know how to plot Navamshas, you can do it easier and faster. Virgo. So the third and the fifth. Virgo ends it in itself. Ends in itself. That means it starts from the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So V3 and V5. Yeah. Virgo will start from the fifth. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, yeah. Third and fifth, right? I have gone for fifth and seventh. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So I need, that's why, we get carried away. We do mistakes when we are doing it fast in the videos. So Libra, so that is the sixth and the eighth. Libra is a Chararashi, that is a movable sign, start from itself. So sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have L6 and we have L8. Okay, then Scorpio, it's a Sthira Rashi, that's fixed sign, starts on the ninth from it. Ninth, and then from there, the first one and the third one. The first one falls in Cancer, that is S1, Scorpio, ninth, and then S3. We have Sagittarius, it's also S, but I'll put it as SG. So Sagittarius, the seventh and the ninth. The seventh, it will start from the fifth house. So seventh will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, we need to take the seventh house. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Libra. So Sagittarius will be in Libra. SG7 and SG9. Next we have Capricorn. Capricorn is Chararashi, so starts from itself. The third one will be 1, 2, and 3. So it will be here CA3 and we have CA5 here. You can see a pattern. That's why I'm doing all this. You should see a pattern. When you see a pattern, only then you'll understand why this is called as Pushkaramsha or Pushkara Navamsa. Pushkaramsha is a different thing when 21, 14, 7, 24, all these degrees will be taken. I will be doing it also, but this is Pushkara Navamsha. We'll go to Aquarius. Aquarius is a Sthira Rashi, the fixed sign, and sixth and eighth. So Sthira Rashi, ninth from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Aquarius will be here. Aquarius 6, sorry, 6, and Aquarius 8th. Aquarius 8th. Correct? Oh, yes, 8th. Okay, then the last one is Pisces. Pisces, the first one, it is the Disvava Rashi, that is a dual sign, so it starts from fifth from itself. The first one will fall here, that is P1, and then we have P3. Please check this. You do not have any of the Navamshas falling in the sign of Sun, Saturn, Mars. These have been negated. Very clearly, these three are taken as malefics. These signs in the Navamshas are taken as malefic amshas. You can also see that peculiarly and particularly Gemini has been left out. It has been taken as a malefic. That is, with Mercury has been left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signs have been left out, and we has been taken only the natural benefics. That is Jupiter, Venus, houses of Venus, that is Libra and Taurus, and taken Virgo, that is the house of Mercury, and then the moon, Cancer. These navamshas are called as Pushkara Navamsas. And within these navamshas, there are three navamshas which will be a Vargottama, a Pushkara Navamsha and becoming a Vargottama. So those three navamshas are very clearly listed down. So they are Vrishabha, that is Taurus. You can see that here only, but I'm just writing the fifth Navamsha. You can see that T5. Taurus is in Taurus. Cancer is in Cancer. Sagittarius is in Sagittarius. So these are the three. Vrishabha, Karkataka, Dhanassu. So these are Pushkara Navamshas which are double strong. That is, they are also Vargottama. Cancer, first Navamsha. Sagittarius, ninth Navamsha. So these become Vargottama Navamshas. So these become Vargottama Navamshas. Vargottama Pushkara Navamshas. So what is the result of Pushkara Navamsha? This is more important. Any planet which sits in a Pushkara Navamsha will get suddenly elevated, very comfortable. In that particular dasha or in that particular planetary period, the person will feel very elevated and very happy. The happiness is what is required. Why are you working so hard? Why are you going around this world running mad? It's only because at one point of time we need to settle down and be happy. Or let us say we need to be happy always. We are not. And why are we not? Because we are getting afflicted by malefics. Malefics will give us uncertainty, they will give us a stressed, tensed atmosphere wherein we will be always in fear. So, why are we not happy? Because we are in fear and we are always uncertain. We are always like we don't know whether this is enough for us, that is enough for us, whether we should do more. So in that fear, what happens is that we go into panic and frantically get into stress, distress, and disappointments, dissatisfactions, and depression. People who are in the phase and going through Pushkara Navamsha planetary Dasha Bhuktis, that is the planetary periods, they will be comfortable and they will be happy. This is the first criteria. Second criteria, let us see. Let us take let us take a particular placement. It will be easy for you to understand this particular placement. Though a planet is placed in a negative placement, in a malefic sign, in an enemy sign, we have done these friends and enemies. Let us take a planet placed in an enemy sign. Okay. So in Capricorn, there is Jupiter. So where does CA3 go? Jupiter is said to be debilitated that is extremely low. The people think that Jupiter in the third Navamsha between 6 degrees 40 minutes to 10 degrees is gone. No, it's not gone. CA3 falls in in Pisces in the Navamsha, and what a fantastic placement. It is Jupiter's Pushkara Navamsha. It is Pushkara Navamsha. You should understand this. And you should also understand that this is the third piece of this Rashi, this is 1, 2, 3. But starting from here, we have Uttara Ashada Nakshatra, first pada, second pada, third pada, and fourth pada. So when Jupiter is placed in Uttara Ashada Nakshatra, fourth pada, Uttara Ashada Nakshatra is controlled by Sun. It is in its friendly nakshatra. Though it is debilitated, it is in a fantastic nakshatra. People are not seeing nakshatras. You need to see the constellations. Why only get stuck to Rashis? Rashi is one level. And the Rashis are there because of the nakshatras. Rashis are made by the human beings to make it easy for us to understand. So 360 degrees, if I make 360 houses, it is difficult. So they categorized, earlier sages, rishis, munis, they categorized and they kept these 12 boxes in which they arranged these Rashi nakshatras, that is the constellations, and said that okay, these nine, amshas, let it be here, these nine here. So that is why Mrigashira gets cut, Dhanishta gets cut, Chitta nakshatra gets cut into two equal halves. We get Punarvasu nakshatra get cut into three and one. Uttarashada nakshatra gets cut into 1 and 3. So these things happen. Kritika nakshatra 1 and 3, because Kritika first pada falls in Aries, 2, 3 and 4 falls in Taurus. So all this were made, keeping in mind that human beings cannot easily, understand. So 12 houses were made. But the nakshatras, the constellations, they are there. They are always there. Whether the 12 houses are there or not, the nakshatras are there. So please give more emphasis to the ascendant star, the moon star, the sun star. These are all very important. The dispositor of nakshatra is more important than the Rashi dispositors. So please understand this. So going ahead, we are seeing here, I will take another example. I'll take Saturn. I'll put Saturn somewhere. Let us make it exalted. I don't know where this will go, but see where Saturn goes. Sixth amsha of Saturn, it is in Rahu's nakshatra, I think. Yes, Swati nakshatra. Because sixth will fall between 16 degrees and 16 degrees 40 minutes and 20 degrees. 100% it is Swati. I don't think so. Let us say. No, this falls in 1, 2, 3, Vishaka, 1, 2, 3, 20, 23, 20, 23, 40, 26, 40. And now, yeah, this is Swati Nakshatra, fourth pada. Swati Nakshatra, fourth pada, Rahu, and it should fall 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see. Where does Libra fall? L6 falls here. So it is like this. Swati comes in the last flange, and the last flange we have Sun, Rahu, and Mercury. Sun, Rahu, Mercury. That means Rahu has Shatabisha Nakshatra, Swati Nakshatra, and Ardhana Nakshatra, and these nakshatras will start from Sagittarius, that is last piece, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first piece is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, the first flange. Second flange, 1, 2, 3, 4. These I have taught you in detail in plotting of Navamshas through nakshatras. I have done that in detail, but just telling you that though Saturn is exalted here, it is sitting over Rahu's nakshatra and it is plotted once again in Jupiter's amsha. And if you people think that it is going to Jupiter, it will go for a loss. No, this is actually in the Pushkara amsha. This is what is important. This Saturn is stronger. This Saturn is stronger than the Saturn which may fall either here or here in the Navamsha by falling in the fifth or fourth amshas of Libra. Exalted in the own sign, but exalted in Pushkaramsha. This is what is to be understood. Pushkara Navamsha means that the planet will give you more than its ability, or let us say, it will give you a good time and a very comfortable time. Thank you very much for today's class.